In this tutorial, I'll show you how to model and render an infinite loop. Let's import a SVG file. Resize and move it to the world's center like this. We need to follow some steps to fully and perfectly utilize this SVG image into 3D in Blender. I found this method myself, so I'll show you the entire process. We need to convert this curve into mesh, back to curve, and back to mesh. That might sound confusing, but that will get rid of all extra lines we don't want. If you like, do a limited dissolve. The next question is, how do we fill these vertices? If we press F to fill, this issue would occur. The bridge edge loop method won't work either. I'll show you what I do when I'm working with a converted SVG mesh. I extrude the mesh like this first. We can select the edge loops and start filling them separately. Go to Edit mode, hover your mouse on the inner mesh and press L to link select like this. Press P to separate by selection and use those separated meshes as the Boolean mesh after scaling them on the Z-axis. In some cases, the Boolean won't work well. If that happens, try filling the main mesh with Alt F or add the solidify modifier before the Boolean. Please match my node settings for the cool gradient effect. Please watch a tutorial listed in the description to match my final render settings, as I'm using a cloned look dev HDRI setting. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.